I've actually had a lot of compliments since we've got this with just the setup and the registration, especially with your other equipment in there. It's been spot on, great experience. Customers have loved our prints that we gave them. The first experience on this was a big order, 6,500 shirts, 2 locations, before we even kind of had everything up and running. So that really kind of stretched our legs and gave us some really good experience on how to kind of manage a large order with that with a very minimum staff. And since then I've learned a lot of tricks, especially having the Stampinator in here, using like a chino base and things like that to kind of thin out the inks to get a softer print, especially on one color prints where you can do an underbase and a top coat. Very bright colors, very soft prints, and customers love it.